The air crackles with energy. Colors explode in every direction. The Cambodian market welcomes you with open arms. Ruby red chilies glow like embers. Emerald green mangoes promise sweet and sour delights. The scent of lemongrass and ginger hangs heavy in the air. A symphony of sizzling, steaming, and frying fills your ears. The rhythmic clang of a cleaver echoes through the stalls. This is where life happens in Cambodia. It's a feast for the senses, a place where ancient traditions meet the bustling present. And today, it's our culinary playground. Amok. Even the name sounds exotic. This dish is the heart and soul of Cambodian cuisine. A fragrant fish curry steamed in a banana leaf parcel, a taste of history passed down through generations. The base is chrome, a paste of lemongrass, galangal, turmeric, and kaffir lime. Pounded together, these aromatics release an intoxicating fragrance. Coconut milk adds richness, while fish sauce provides a savory depth. But amok is more than just ingredients. It's a story told through taste, a story of resourcefulness, using the bounty of the land and sea, a story woven into the fabric of Cambodian identity. From the depths of Cambodian history, we travel to a more recent culinary crossroads. Cambodia, a land rich in history and culture, has always been a melting pot of flavors and influences. Its cuisine tells a story of resilience, adaptation, and the harmonious blending of different culinary traditions. Lok Lak, a stir-fried beef dish, speaks of a time when French influence graced Cambodian kitchens. This dish is a testament to the colonial era where French techniques and ingredients were introduced to the local palate, creating a unique fusion that has stood the test of time. Imagine tender beef, marinated in a symphony of flavors. The marinade is a careful balance of traditional Cambodian spices and French culinary techniques, resulting in a dish that is both familiar and exotic. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, and fish sauce mingle with the sweetness of palm sugar. These ingredients, each with their own distinct flavor profile, come together to create a marinade that is rich, complex, and deeply satisfying. A touch of black pepper adds a whisper of heat. This subtle spice enhances the overall flavor, providing a gentle warmth that lingers on the palate. But the true magic happens in the searing hot wok. The high heat ensures that the beef cooks quickly, locking in the juices and creating a beautiful sear on the outside. The beef kisses the flame, developing a delicious char. This char is essential, as it adds a depth of flavor that is both smoky and savory, making each bite a delightful experience. Served on a bed of crisp lettuce and juicy tomatoes, Lok Lak is a vibrant fusion of East meets West. The fresh vegetables provide a refreshing contrast to the rich, savory beef, making this dish a perfect example of how different culinary traditions can come together to create something truly special. We weave through the labyrinthine market, drawn by the rhythmic clang of a cleaver. A woman with a weathered face and eyes that sparkle with life prepares our amok. Her hands move with practiced grace, folding banana leaves into intricate parcels. Each fold holds not just the ingredients, but also the legacy of her ancestors. Next, we encounter a young man, his face lit by the fiery glow of his wok. With a flick of his wrist, he tosses the lok lak, the beef sizzling in protest. It's a dance of precision and passion. The aroma hits you first, a heady blend of lemongrass, turmeric, and coconut milk. Unwrapping the banana leaf parcel reveals a treasure trove of flavor. The fish, steamed to perfection, flakes effortlessly. Each bite is an explosion of textures and tastes. The creaminess of the coconut milk blends harmoniously with the earthy crone. A hint of sweetness from the palm sugar lingers on your palate. It's a dish that transports you to a time when life was simpler, to a place where flavors tell stories. The lok lak arrives, sizzling invitingly on a cast iron platter. The aroma of caramelized beef mingles with the tang of lime and the freshness of herbs. The beef, tender and bursting with flavor, melts in your mouth. The marinade has permeated every fiber, creating a symphony of savory, sweet, and spicy notes. Each bite is a delightful contrast of textures. The crunch of fresh lettuce and the juiciness of tomatoes complement the tender beef. It's a dish that celebrates the art of balance. As we savor each bite, we strike up a conversation with the vendors. The market is bustling with energy, and the air is filled with the tantalizing aromas of various dishes being prepared. Each vendor has a unique story to tell, and we are eager to listen. We ask about the ingredients, the cooking methods, and the history behind each dish. The vendors are more than happy to share, their faces lighting up with pride and joy. Their faces light up as they share stories of their families and traditions. We learn about the generations of knowledge passed down through these recipes and how each dish holds a special place in their hearts. The stories are filled with nostalgia and a deep sense of connection to their heritage. It's clear that food is not just a means of sustenance for them, but a way to preserve their culture and share it with others. Food, we realize, is more than just sustenance. It's a medium through which people express their identity and heritage. Each dish tells a story, and each bite is a journey into the past. The flavors, the textures, and the aromas all come together to create a sensory experience that is deeply rooted in tradition. As we enjoy the traditional Cambodian dishes, we feel a sense of connection to the people who have prepared them and the culture they represent. It's a language that transcends borders. No matter where we come from, we can all appreciate the effort and love that goes into preparing a meal. Sharing food with others creates a bond that goes beyond words. It's a universal experience that brings people together, regardless of their background or nationality. In the market, we see people from different cultures and ethnicities coming together to enjoy the food and the atmosphere. It's a beautiful sight that reminds us of the power of food to unite people. We learn about the significance of Amok in Cambodian celebrations. This traditional dish, made with fish, coconut milk, and a blend of spices, is a staple at festivals and family gatherings. The vendor explains how the dish is prepared with great care and attention to detail, and how it holds a special place in the hearts of the Cambodian people. We are fascinated by the rich history and cultural significance of Amok, and we can't wait to try it for ourselves. How it's a dish that brings families and communities together. The act of preparing and sharing Amok is a way for people to connect with each other and celebrate their heritage. We see families and friends gathered around, enjoying the dish and each other's company. It's a heartwarming scene that highlights the importance of food in fostering a sense of community and belonging. The smiles and laughter are contagious, and we feel privileged to be a part of this experience. We hear tales of how Lok Lak evolved from its French origins, adapting to local tastes and ingredients. This popular dish, made with marinated beef, is a perfect example of how food can evolve and adapt over time. The vendor shares stories of how Lok Lak has become a beloved dish in Cambodia, with each family adding their own unique twist to the recipe. We are intrigued by the fusion of flavors and the creativity that goes into making this dish. Through these conversations, we gain a deeper understanding of Cambodian culture. We learn about the history, traditions, and values that are embedded in each dish. The vendors' stories give us a glimpse into their lives and the rich cultural heritage they are so proud of. We feel a sense of gratitude for the opportunity to learn and connect with the people of Cambodia through their food. We realize that food is not just about flavors, but also about the stories it tells and the connections it forges. Each meal is an opportunity to learn, to share, and to connect with others. As we leave the market, we carry with us not just the taste of the delicious food, but also the memories of the people we met and the stories they shared. Food truly is a cultural bridge that brings people together and enriches our lives in so many ways. Leaving the bustling market behind, we carry with us more than just satisfied stomachs. We carry the warmth of human connection, the richness of Cambodian history, and the lingering flavors of a culinary adventure. Our journey through the Cambodian market has been a feast for the senses. We've experienced the vibrant energy of the marketplace, the artistry of the vendors, and the exquisite flavors of Amok and Lok Lak. But more importantly, we've glimpsed the soul of Cambodia. A soul that is generous, resilient, and deeply connected to its culinary heritage. The world is brimming with culinary adventures waiting to be discovered. From the bustling streets of Phnom Penh to the serene countryside, Cambodia offers a rich tapestry of flavors and experiences that are sure to captivate any food lover. And few are as rewarding as exploring the vibrant world of Cambodian cuisine. Imagine wandering through lively markets where the air is filled with the scent of fresh herbs and spices and the sounds of vendors calling out their wares. So I invite you to embark on your own culinary journey. Picture yourself tasting exotic fruits you've never seen before, or sampling a dish that has been passed down through generations. Step into the bustling markets, breathe in the intoxicating aromas, and savor the unique flavors of Cambodia. Each bite tells a story, from the tangy sweetness of mango salad to the rich, creamy texture of coconut-based curries. Let the taste of Amok transport you to a time of ancient traditions. This steamed fish curry, wrapped in banana leaves, is a testament to the country's culinary heritage. Let the sizzle of Lok Lak ignite your senses with its fusion of flavors. This stir-fried beef dish, often served with a tangy lime and pepper dipping sauce, is a perfect example of Cambodia's ability to blend influences from neighboring countries while maintaining its own unique identity. And most importantly, open your heart to the warmth and hospitality of the Cambodian people. Their smiles and friendly interactions will make you feel at home, even if you're thousands of miles away. For in their food, you'll discover a world of flavor and a story waiting to be told. Each dish is a chapter in the rich history of Cambodia, a narrative of resilience, creativity, and love for life. So come and discover your own Cambodian adventure, one delicious bite at a time.